Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off Demon Slayer notifications. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on a mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Demon Slayer and perform your search. Tap on it. Now tap on Notifications option. Disable Show Notifications option. And that's it. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.